Bam! The late adopter. Hi guys, doing? Welcome back to the channel, to the new video. Welcome to the new guys. This is altcoins channel. Sometimes Bitcoin every day, but altcoins mostly. 26.42% on Fantom today, looking very nice. That's why we're doing this first thing after Bitcoin. We always do Bitcoin first, but the first thing after Bitcoin today, Fantom, because up 26%, a lot more than it's even going above Doge. Dogecoin is right now 25.9, so Fantom is actually outperforming Doge right now. But then Dogecoin has actually been pumping for a while now, so it's not very hard to do. There are a few other coins that are doing like 25-24%, but we have been previously doing Fantom, so why not just give an update on what's happening on Fantom and stuff like that. That said, before we start, down below comments for the Telegram group, free group, nice community, also Patreon, check that out. You can also share the video, click down the links, click down the subscription button, like button, all kind of, but there are all kind of buttons, all kind of links below the video, so check that out, maybe that's something for you. That said, let's get into the charts and see what's actually happening with Fantom. It's looking very nice, guys. I have to admit you, it looks very nice. We're gonna start by looking at the weekly chart. And we're gonna see that after the dump all the way down to the 20 moving average, important average on the weekly time frame, we managed actually to pump really hard previously week. We went all the way 154%. Now some people might think, yeah, we finished, man, we've pumped 154%. I don't think we finished yet. I mean, we're gonna be finished eventually, but not yet. So why am I saying that we are not finished yet, and why have I been claiming for a while now that we are not finished yet? Because the RSI, this rubber band index that we called here on this channel, is not that high. Usually when you get these 90 levels, like up here, 90 levels, that's when you get these high levels. That's when you actually get some kind of pullback, some kind of consolidation, like over here. And this consolidation has been going on for a while. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2 months. 2 months we been going sideways, and now it's time to go up again. Now you can see here that these small candles were started small and started bigger and bigger and bigger. And if that's the case, then this is gonna be bigger and bigger and bigger. I'm not saying that that's the case, but it can happen. It can happen. Either ways, we bottomed out at 57 on the RSI on the Fantom on the weekly chart, which is very low. Usually during the bull run on the weekly chart, prices bottom out between 60 and 70. This is 57, so this is very low. You can see here we never got to this this bearish growth here. It just turned around, and it's looking very nice on the weekly chart. Superb. You cannot complain on the weekly chart. That's why I'm saying we are not done yet, and that's why I'm saying, I was also saying, I think I don't remember, maybe 3-4 days ago I was making a video. I said like we are not done yet. We might actually go in some kind of a daily consolidation that we have been going into. So we have been after popping up here at 86, we have been going down for 3 days. We hit this 10 moving average, and today again we are moving upwards. Today we had a very nice pump at 27% right now. That's looking very nice indeed, very nice indeed. So also on this rubber band index down on RSI, it's not very high. It's only a 68. You can see when we get to the levels of 70 plus or something, this is 75. On the daily, you can pop the cherry, so to speak, at any level above 70. Even at 60, you can actually pop. But usually around, like, I would say around 80 levels. Above 80, you usually get these consolidations. So when RSI on the daily goes above 80 in a strong uptrend, it usually hits some kind of high and then goes backwards or sideways, so these moving averages can have some time to come up with the price because it's just moving too fast. And then once the price hits the moving averages, we continue going up. So daily, weekly, looking all very nice and daily. So what's happening actually on the 4 hour? You can see on the 4 hour we hit this yellow line. That's the 50 moving average, and we'll be climbing this white line. That's the 10 moving average on the 4 hour chart for a long time. And we got up here, we kind of went below the 10 and 20 moving average. That's the white and the red line, and then kind of found some kind of bottom over here, and now we are actually going higher and higher up. So on the 4 hourly, this is confirmation that we are bullish again, getting back above the moving averages, because here we went below the moving average. We went below the 10 and 20 moving average, and that was kind of bearish, so it pushed us a little bit down. So that's good that we found some kind of support, and the bullishness comes that we actually managed to close this candle above the 10 and 20, above all the moving averages. So looks nice and dandy. And let's see what's happening on the 1 hourly chart. You can see even on the 1 hourly chart that we are looking very bullish. We are above all the moving averages. So technically, now of course, when you go up 26% in a day, you will be above all the moving averages most likely. But weekly, daily, 4 hourly, 1 hourly, I think even 30 minutes, even 5 minutes, I think even 5 minutes, we are in a strong option still, and there's no giving in quite yet. Now on the small time frames, like on the 4 hourly, we can have some kind of sideways move up here. Although RSI is saying not yet, because we are only sitting at 60 RSI, so we don't have to technically do that. On the 1 hourly, we're sitting at 67, so we are already going into sideways movement and waiting for this moving average, this standard moving average up here, down here, to pick up with the price and to carry us higher. But all in all, everything looks super nice and super dandy, super fine. So can we find any kind of target for this, like immediate target, something like this? Now, if we could do this, I'm gonna show you something. If we can just remove all of this and assume that these tops are somehow gonna give us some kind of indication of where our next target should be, then it should be something like this. But since I think this is a little bit more conservative, I don't know if this is one or this is the one. I think maybe something like this is better. I think something like this is better. Let's see. I think this line is very nice. I know we break some of these wicks up here, and these are not actually confirmed. Maybe somewhere up here. It's hard to tell. Maybe something like this. That's at least gonna give us some kind of target, first target, at least target at 1.29 or something like that, because this has been resistance for a long time. A lot of wicks have been hitting this one. Then we got rejected, went up with the wick, confirmed it, second time confirmed it, now third time we are going for it. Now what's gonna happen after we hit it the third time? We might actually get rejection here at 129 or 130 or whatever it is. Maybe I will draw even this a little bit differently, so it should be maybe at 1.5. But once we get this rejection up here, we can expect some kind of a small pullback or something like that. I didn't mean to use this one. And to use this one, we can make some kind of bullback or something like that, and then we're gonna break it. And once we break that, that's when this really nice parabolic move comes in. So that's what we're waiting for. I think we are waiting to break this line of resistance that has been acting as a resistance for a very long time. And once we break that, it's moon time. So we also got some kind of indication when that's gonna happen, because this is creating some kind of a rising wedge. So it can still continue for a quite long time. This is a weekly time frame. It can continue for quite a long time before we actually break out of it. But needless to say, once we do that, it will go pretty high up. So it looks nice, it looks good. There are some targets at 1.29 or something like that on the weekly time frame or something like that. But I don't see this stopping quite yet. On the 1 hourly, I see that we are actually breaking a little bit. We are breaking a little bit on the 1 hourly, so we might kind of on 1 hourly might kind of go sideways. But on 4 hourly, we are extended from 10 and 20 moving average. And from daily we extend, so maybe we're gonna go go sideways a little bit right now, and then wait for these moving averages to pick up with the price and push us up. It's hard to tell what's actually gonna happen. The thing that we know, we are very bullish on Fantom, so we just have to gonna see what's gonna happen. That said, thanks for watching the video. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, check the links down below and everything, and all the shebang. Thanks for watching, guys. See you around. Bye bye.